Okay, today we also review our articles and plural form, and also we review the food vocabulary. But most of all, we made an activity to review there is and there are. Okay, so for example, in this picture, the one that we were using during the class, well, we can see that we have some things like there is a pillow, there is a picture, there is a chest, there are books, there are two boys, two children or two kids, there are three teddy bears, etc. Okay, so we also review the questions, how to do a question. Remember that the question begins with the auxiliary am, is, or are. Okay, I'm sorry, but in this case we're only going to work with are and is. Is for singular, are for plural. Now, we have a question. Are there two beds? Of course, there aren't two beds because we only have one. So, are there two beds in the room? No, there aren't. Okay. Is there a table? Yes, of course, there is a table. Yes, there is a table. Is there a pillow? Yes, there is a pillow. Is there a what? A shelf? Yes, there is a shelf. Are there 5 books? Yes, there are 5 books. Okay. So here the boy says there's a pillow on the table. There are 3 dolls under the bed. 1, 2, 3 under the bed. Okay. So we can have some examples to work with positive, negative, and also for questions. For example, here we have to select false or true. There's a pillow on the bed. On the bed, nope. So this is false, right? Because the pillow is on the table. So it's false. There are 3 dolls under the bed. Under the bed, it's true. 1, 2, 3 dolls under the bed. There are 3 teddies on the bed. Of course, it's true also because we have 1, 2, 3 teddies, teddy bears, or just bears, okay, on the bed. So it's true, okay. Then there's 1 book on the shelf. No, it's false because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 books. So it's false. And finally, there are 6 balls in Allison's bedroom. We suppose that she is Allison's. So it says that there are 6 balls in. It's false because we only see 1 and 2 balls. Okay, so it's false. Okay. Also, we ask the questions. These questions: how many kids are there? Well, there are 8 kids, right? The one that are on the wall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 kids. Okay. Now, how many teddy bears are there? Teddy bears, we have 1, 2, 3. So we can answer in different forms. There are 3 teddies, or there are 3 bears, or there are 3 teddy bears. Okay, it's the same. The 3 forms, it could be fine. We have another question. How many dolls are there? Well, we can see that we have dolls. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, we have 5 dolls. So there are 5. No, I'm sorry, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. So this is not correct. So let's write it here. There are 6 dolls, okay? Or just you can answer 6, okay? Just 6. Or there are 6. So the 3 answers could be, I'm sorry, the 3 answers could be fine. How many balls are there? We have 1 and 2 balls. So there are 2 balls, okay? Or just there are 2, okay? So both answers are correct. How many books are there? Books, well, we can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just 5 because I don't think these are books. Maybe they are something else. Maybe some puzzles or something else. So we have only 5 books. So there are 5 books, okay? There are 5 books, or there are 5. So both answers also it's correct. And there are 5 puzzles. How many puzzles? How many puzzles are there? Well, if these are puzzles, we have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 puzzles, or there are 5 puzzles. So you can use the full form, okay, full form or contract form. We have full form and we have contract form. Okay, so both it's correct. Okay, so we can ask more questions. Okay, for example, we can say, how many pillows do we have? Well, there is just one. How many persons or how many kids or how many children do we have? There are two children or there are two kids. Okay, or you can say more specific, there is one boy and one girl. Okay, also we can say that how many shoes, how many shoes are there in the room? Well, only two, or maybe Allison's has another pair, but we don't see them. Or maybe we can say how many, etc. We can make some examples. Okay, so I hope that you can practice with this activity and you review it.